Yeah, so welcome again, guys. Another session trading binary option on my account on this channel, the channel called Binary. In this channel, we only use binary strategy. You can learn the strategy as usual from the course in the description below. In this video, we will talk about the top 5 best brokers to trade binary option. Let's open a trade. $20. Yeah, let's open this trade and let's discuss. So this is my opinion. You can decide otherwise. You can choose other platforms, but this is only my opinion. So the top 5 brokers are, let's start from the top 5 or the number 5. We have Binomo. Binomo is a binary option broker with a high-end trading platform with the ability to trade binary options, CFDs, forex, and cryptocurrencies. Binomo is based out of St. Vincent and the Grenadines, and they are regulated by the IFCs, the International Finance Commissions. So, since Binomo is a category A member of the EFC, they have deposit insurance of up to $20,000 for all clients. But Binomo doesn't offer as many assets to trade compared to other brokers. The standard account has 14 available markets to trade with up to 85% max payout. But their VIP level offers 42 available markets with a max payout of up to 80 or 90%. But VIPs also have extra perks such as 10% weekly cashback, deposit bonuses up to 100%, 1 hour withdrawal, and a personal account manager. So not bad, but at the same time not the best. So overall, Binomo is a good binary trading platform, but has limited asset compared to other brokers. If you want more assets to trade, there is plenty of other choices. And the minimum deposit on Binomo is the $10, so you can start with $10. You can trade minimum of $1. You can open a trade with only $1. That's the minimum. And they are not used or use USA friendly. You can't use it if you are living in USA. You can't use it. And the number 4 is binary.com. So binary.com also offers binary option tradings, CFD trading, and it's owned by a company called Binary Group Ltd, founded in 1999. So this broker is one of the oldest and most respected names in the binary option trading industry, with over 1 million registered users worldwide. And it has offices in Channel Island, Malta, St. Vincent, and the Grenadines, Malaysia, British Virgin Island, and plenty of other places. And also they have different trading platforms other than the binary.com. So there is Derive or Derive, a perfect solution for beginners. There is also Smart Trader. There is a Tech Trade Android app. You can use it on Android. Also, you can use MetaTrade 5 and Binary Web Trader. And binary.com does not accept customers from the USA, Canada, and Hong Kong. Number 3, we have Trade. Trade is a Cyprus-based broker that is regulated by the International Finance Commission. This license ensures that traders are supported by deposit insurance, comprehensive support. They have a great support. This broker been in the binary option or the options market since 2014 and has consistently improved their platform over the years. in the 2020, there are over 25,000 users trading with Alum Trade every single day. But like most of the top brokers, Alum Trade has a web-based platform and an app available for iPhone and Android. They have over 75 different underlying assets that you can trade with. Demo accounts are available if you like to test drive the Olymp trade, of course. And so the Olymp trade does not accept clients for European Economic Area, Australia, Canada, USA, Japan, Israel, New Zealand, Russia, Spain, Sweden, and Switzerland. Number two best broker on my list is the broker I'm using right now, IQ Option. So IQ Option is based on Cyprus, regulated by the CYSEC, Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, since 2013. IQ Option has been one of the most successful online trading platforms with over 43 million registered users, over 1 million trades per day, and clients from over 213 countries. What I like about IQ Option that they have over 250 assets to trade, including binary options, digital options, CFD, stocks, crypto, commodities, and ETFs. Their binary options pay up to 95% of successful trades, while their digital options offer returns rate up to 900%. Do you believe that? So the minimum deposit on IQ Option also is $10. The max payout is 95%, and the minimum you can open a trade with is $1. You can open your trades with only $1. I like their support also. You have good support, but this broker also does not accept clients from United States, Canada, European economic areas, Japan, Israel, Austria, and Puerto Rico. And the best broker for me is Pocket Option, number one. Even I don't use it often, but I like this platform because it's a binary option brokers that provides online trading of more than 100 different underlying assets. So Pocket Option is one of the only sites that accept new traders from the United States and Europe. The other brokers that don't allow traders from these countries. Established in 2017, Pocket Option is based in the Marshall Islands and is licensed by the or IFMRC, International Finance Market Regulation Center. Also, the minimum deposit on Pocket Option is $50. You can open a trade with $1. The minimum is $1. They give you over 100 cryptos, commodities, stocks, and currency pairs. They have a website platform. They have Android, iOS, and Windows. Yeah, so I think we are making good. We keep trading on this video. Yeah.